Good morning, class. Welcome to our morning meeting. We're going to start this morning with a new greeting, and since it's weather week, I thought I would teach you a new weather greeting. So today I'm going to teach you how to sign the word sun in sign language. Remember, sign language is a way we use to communicate using our hands. So today I'm going to teach you how to sign the word sun. So to do the word sun, you're going to put your pointer finger up and you're going to make a circle in the air right next to kind of your head. So we're going to make a circle and then we're going to open up our fingers, this way to shine on ourselves like the sun's rays are shining. So we're going to try that again. Make a circle and then open your fingers to shine on your head. We're going to say good morning as we try it. I'll do a couple times. Ready? Good morning. Try it again. Good morning. And you can try saying good morning by using the sun sign with someone in your family this morning. We're going to go ahead and read our morning message, and you can read along with me, starting at the top with the date. Think about what month it is. Let's read it together. April 15, 2020. Dear eaters, oh no, this looks like it possibly could be a wacky Wednesday message. It looks like there are some sounds that are missing, so I'm going to need your help. It says, Dear eaters. What's a word that rhymes with eaters that you might be doing today? How about, could we try readers? All right, I'm going to go ahead and write, sorry, I forgot to ask you the sound. Yeah, you're right. R, readers. Sorry, my pen is kind of tricky today. Today is Ends Day. Ooh, what day did I say it was today? Wednesday. Think about what sound should I write to make it say Wednesday. Let's write a W. And remember, we want to do an uppercase W because it's a day of the week. Today is Wednesday. You will eat with Mrs. Feldkamp. You will read. What letter goes there? Yep, R. And you want to make sure it's lowercase because it's in the middle of a sentence. You will read with Mrs. Feldkamp and do ma with Mrs. Coleman. Uh-oh. What is ma? That's not something. Let's think about something that you might do with Mrs. Coleman that you did on Monday. How about math? Stick out that tongue. Listen, math. You're right. It's a T and an H. You will do math with Mrs. Coleman and have art with Mrs. Gruber. So today, be looking for a post from Mrs. Gruber with a fun art activity. Your seesaw attendance post. So this is what you need to comment below for your attendance today. Tell me about a book you read today. For example, this is what it could sound like. Miss K, I read the book, and tell me the name of the book. It was about, and tell me something about that book. For example, if you read a pigeon book, you could say it was about a silly pigeon. Or you might want to try a book on Raz Kids today. Tell me about a book that you read on Raz Kids today. The last part of our morning message is, again, our daily student shout out. And today I am thinking of another student. I'm going to give you some clues and I want you to think about who this might be, and then I'll write their name in the box. And then we're going to add up the vowels and the consonants in their name to see how many letters they have in their name. All right, this person is a boy. This person likes to build things. Their name starts with a R sound, and their name ends with the letter Y. This person is also a really good artist. Let's see, begins with a R and ends with a Y. Can you think of who it is? It's Riley. So I'm going to write Riley's name in the box. Riley's name starts with an R. It has an I. It has an L. It has an E. And then it has a Y. So now we're going to look at Riley's name and we're going to find out how many vowels are in his name and how many consonants, and then we can add them up to find out how many total letters he has in his name. So in Riley's name, let's look at the first letter. Is this a vowel? Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. No. Here's an I. That's one vowel. I'm going to circle just the vowels. L is not a vowel. E is a vowel. I'm going to circle that one. And Y is not a vowel. So Riley has two vowels in his name. In my number sentence over here, I'm going to write a 2 on the first line. Plus, now we need to add up the consonants. The consonants are all the other letters in his name. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write a 3 on the next line. Now, mathematicians, you can add up all the letters in his name. He has 2 consonants, and 2 vowels and 3 consonants. If we add them together, that makes how many? 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Riley has 5 letters in his name. Now, just like we did yesterday, on the count of 3, we're going to do a shout out for Riley so everybody can say as loud as they can and wave their arms around and say, "Good morning, Riley." All right, you guys ready to try? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Riley. Well, Riley, we hope that you have a fantastic day of learning. Let's go on to our next part of our meeting. As my little rainbow wheel's moving, here's our calendar again, and yesterday we wrote in the number 14. So we need to think about what number would come next after 14. And I'll give you a hint. It's another teen number. 15. We know that all teen numbers start with a 1, and in the word 15, I hear kind of a word that kind of starts with the same letter as this number, and it's 5. So 15 is a 1 and a 5. All right, we're going to find out what our pattern will be. Now remember yesterday, I don't know if you can see it, but our pattern are these little pictures that are over the numbers. And I bet if we start right here, maybe we can start back here and figure out what's going to come. So let's start here. We have cloud, egg, bunny, chick. Cloud, egg. What would come next? You're right, bunny. So I'm going to move the bunny over the 15. All right, we're going to change our arrows up here because today is not Tuesday. We're going to move our arrows and slide them to the spot to the right, 1 space. So I'm going to slide all the arrows over 1 space to move them because today's a new day. And we move in their reading direction. So we can say that today is Wednesday. Yesterday, the day that comes before Wednesday, was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. We don't have any birthdays this month, so we won't be adding any birthday cakes. But I think next month we have some birthdays coming up that we'll get to celebrate. Next is our weather graph. And today's weather, as I looked out the window, there was some sunshine and some blue sky. I think today is kind of a partly sunny, partly cloudy, but I like this picture because it shows a little bit of clouds and a little bit of sun. So I'm going to move a new rectangle to sunny. All right, let's look at our weather graph. Maybe we can compare some things today. I want you to think, how many more cloudy days have we had than sunny days? Now remember, when we compare, we look at the ones that line up together and we count the extras. So cloudy has 1, 2 extras, which means cloudy has 2 more days than sunny days. We haven't had any foggy days yet, but it could happen. We're going to write our temperature, and I left yesterday's temperature so that we can kind of keep track the whole week and see if the temperature goes up or if the temperature goes down. I'm not sure, but today I saw that the temperature said it's going to be a very chilly 32 degrees. I hope it warms up soon. Yesterday was 34. Today is supposed to be 32. So I'm going to look on my thermometer. This is called a thermometer. Up here is where I'm going to write 32. And to write a 32, I'm going to write a 3 and a 2. And I see this little circle right here. This little circle is a symbol that means degrees Fahrenheit. And Fahrenheit is the way that we measure temperature or tell temperature in the United States of America. Now if we go down here, the temperature is not to 32. I need to look on the side of the numbers, and there, if you look, the numbers are counting by tens, and if they go below 0, they're counting backwards by tens. But we're going to go up here and find 30, but it said it's 32, so 32 is probably going to be about right here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in, and then hopefully we'll watch the temperature, and I'm crossing my fingers that the temperature will warm up as we go along this week. Yesterday, I had written down that we were in school for 6 days in April, but boys and girls, I made a huge mistake. We've actually been in school for 10 days now today in April. So I have a group of 5 and 4 more. That makes 9. But to show 10, I will need to make another tally. Now remember our poem. 1, 2, 3, 4, standing tall. Number 5 goes across them all. Think about. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 standing tall. That means 5 is going to go across them all, and I can count by 5s. I have 5 plus 5 is 10. So far in April, we have come to school for 10 days. Great job. All right, our last thing to get us warmed up for learning today. Yesterday we counted by tens. Today we're going to count by 5s. And I don't know if you can see, I'll kind of move my little screen down as far as I can. We're going to count by 5s to 100. And as you're doing this, I want you to think about an exercise you can do to get your body moving so that your brain can get ready for learning today. You could do jumping jacks, sit-ups, lunges. You could jog in place. If you have enough space and you're careful, you could even jog around your room. So think about the exercise that you're ready to do this morning. Get your body ready and count with me by 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Boys and girls, you are all ready for learning today. I hope you have a fun day, and I can't wait to hear what your favorite book is. Remember to post it in your journal on Seesaw Class. Have a great day.